Boys are boys from the beginning. If you were born a boy, you stay a boy. Girls are girls right from the start. If you were born a girl, you stay a girl and grow up to be a lady.
Oh my gosh. I had no idea that Mr. Rogers was such a vicious and violent, I'm so sorry, transphobe. I had no idea. I thought that he invited everyone to his neighborhood. I thought that he was inclusive. I thought that he was tolerant. And little did I know, he is a violent, stochastic, terrorist bigot. Turn it off. I don't want to see his face again.